Does your toddler sound like this? It's probably croup cough. Croup cough is like a dry, barky cough, and it can be really, really scary for parents and for kids. I just made a YouTube video on how we helped my toddler get rid of croup cough. If you want to check it out, some of the stuff is like these lollipop cough drops, humidifier, raw honey if they're over 1, just a kind of other stuff to help ease with that croup cough, because you can treat it at home. So check out my video on that if your toddler or baby has a dry, barky cough like that video.